I want to share with you today a natural, typical type of conversation that your service providers have, and maybe you have or have had with your clientele. And I want to show you how to take what can be negative and flip it around to positive and very promotional to bring awareness and potential new clients to your business. Get ready for it. It's coming right up. Hello, tribe. I'm Gary Alquist. For those who have just joined us, welcome to the Thirsty Warrior. Today I want to share with you what's typically known through most people, most women particularly, about salons, hair salons, spas, whatever it might be, whatever beauty services that you may offer that happens naturally. Now, when it comes to conversation with clients, we all know and we have said they should be kept professional. You know, I agree with that. However, human nature, what it is, we get into conversations, personal conversations. They share with us. Isn't it amazing what a client will share with you? We then pass it on amongst our staff, and that's called gossip. And gossip spreads. Now, beauty salons are notorious for being known as a center of gossip. You see it in movies, you see it in TV shows, you've seen it written in books. So we're not going to deny the fact. You may say, well, it doesn't happen in my salon. Well, you know what? Praise God. I'm glad for you. But I'm talking to you, maybe not knowing that it occurs with some of your staff members and their clients. But here's the problem with gossip. There are women that will sit in your chair and they will listen to it, and deep down inside they're cringing because they don't like to hear things about other people, negative things about other people. They may share things, and you know what? Even the stylist may say, I didn't want to hear that. It's a negative thing. Let's just call it what it is. But I want to share with you how to turn that into the flip side, and that is the gospel. Now, no, I'm not talking about the Christian gospel, but if you want to share that, that's fine with me. But what I'm talking about is what gospel means. In the original translation of the root of that word, the word is God spell, S-P-E-L. God meaning good, and spell meaning news or story. So let's turn our conversations into good stories. Let's lift people up when we talk, and let's find out from clients. Now, I want to continue with this briefly, but I want to share with you at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a really cool thing to do that I think you're going to love, and it's going to really help, and clients are going to love it as well. But let's turn it into good stories. Imagine this. What if in a conversation with your client, you say to them, tell me something over the month of April and May, through this virus deal and entering into a recession, tell me a story of something good that happened to you or somebody in your family. Something awesome, something exciting, something you're proud of. And let your clients share. Now imagine that story. Imagine you hearing it and going, whoa, that is really cool. Imagine when that client leaves and your stylist or your estheticians, whoever is doing this, shares it with other staff members. And they go, whoa, that is really neat. You're spreading good vibes. You're spreading good things about people. So we have to turn the gossip into the gospel, the good story. Negative dirt about people to a good story, an encouraging story about people. I think this is powerful. I think we take it for granted, and I think we need to train our staff in a staff meeting to be aware of it and how to do it. So I'm going to challenge you to do that. Start collecting good stories. You might even offer a $5 gift certificate or 10% off a retail for them to simply give you a story. They can go home, they can write it out for you, they can send it to you by email, it can be digital. Tell them, attach it to an email to me, and I'll print it out on nice paper and what have you. right? Collect good stories. Now here's the powerful tip I wanted to leave you with. There's two things you can do with this. Number one, and I had a salon who had a long hallway on the side of her salon down the length. She had a long hallway. It was a small hallway, it was narrow, to the bathroom in the back. And what she did was she took the one wall when you walked back, and she turned that into a client wall. And she did a lot of different things, but it gave me the idea you could create client good stories. And you, when they send it to you, print it out on paper and put it on the wall and even put their name on it. And you watch, people will go to the bathroom and they'll stop and they'll read a couple of these and make a comment to you when they sit back down in the chair or lay down on the massage bed. You can also create like a scrapbook, and each page put a letter and put on the front of it, clients, great stories. And have them, if they're sitting in the reception area waiting, hand it to them, let them read through it. This is a positive thing. People will share these stories. It'll bring awareness to your salon. And you know what? Other clients or other customers, potential clients, let's say, who do not come to you may reconsider. I'm hoping that you got value from this. If you did, hit the thumbs up. I want you to subscribe and join our tribe. We would welcome you, and we want to help you grow your business. Ding the notification bell will let you know when new videos come out, and there's always great information following each video.